Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And on today's video I have a special unboxing for you that I picked up at Metro by T-Mobile. You guys are going to be excited about this unboxing. So let's see what's in the bag. Yeah, that's what's in the bag, guys. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this baby. There you go. Went and picked up the OnePlus. The OnePlus Nord, the N10 5G. This phone just came out from Metro by T-Mobile. So I was like, you know what? Let me pick it up and see what's the hype about this phone. That's my first OnePlus phone that I ever owned. And I'm surprised that Metro got it. As you can see, they already opened the phone at the store to set up the service. But I put it back in a box for y'all so we can set it up. And see, this what the box looks like. I like the branding on the box, the light blue and the N10. They have two versions. They have the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and the OnePlus Nord N100, but this one is the 5G version. The 100 is not the 5G, but this one is. Alright, let me give you a little bit specs on this phone. Alright, this phone comes with the 5G. It was launched on October 26, 2020, but it just came out from Metro. This phone has an IPS display with a 90 Hz, 6.49 inches. It has a 1080 by 2400 pixel, and that's 406 ppi density, guys. Comes with Android 10, Oxygen 10.5. And it's also a Qualcomm SM6350 Snapdragon 690. Comes with an octa-core 2x.20 GHz Cairo 560 Gold and 6x 1.7 GHz Cairo 560 Silver. And it comes with the Adreno 619L. The internal is 128 GB. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. UFS 2.1. Video, you can record at 4K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 30 frames, 60 frame, 120 frame. Alright, the selfie camera is 16 megapixel. What else? Let's see what else. It comes with NFC, USB Type C 2.0. Comes with the fingerprint. What else this comes with? It comes with a 4,300 milliamp non-removable battery, and it also has the fast charging 30 watts. And this color is the Midnight Ice. The price for this phone is $264, but I got this for way cheaper than that. Alright, so that was a little bit on the specs. Let's open this baby up. Let's power it up and see what this phone is about. Alright, when you get the phone, you're going to have the booklet at the top. That says OnePlus, guys. So let's take the booklet. Let's see what's in the booklet. Let's set this to the side. Let's see what the booklet comes with. Okay, booklet comes with the welcome guide. OnePlus N10 5G. And it just teaches you about the phone. If you need or know anything about the phone, basically guides you on that. So you're not going to need this. And it also comes with the SIM ejecting tool. You do inject the SIM. So let's just put this to the side, since we're not going to need that. Like I said, this is my first OnePlus phone. I've never had one before. I'm excited about this. Alright, once you get the booklet out, this is what the phone looks like. This is what the phone looks like, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see what the back. This what the backs look like. Like I said, it's two versions. It's the 5G and it's the N10 5G and the N10 100. This is the one with the 5G. The N100 don't have that. That's what the backs look like. And it tracks a lot of fingerprint, guys. As you can see, it has 4 cameras, which I'll be testing in another video. It has the OnePlus logo. At the bottom, it says the OnePlus with IMEI and stuff like that. We'll power that up in a little bit. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright, we have this little cardboard thing. Alright. This is the 30 warp charger. Look at this. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. This is what the charger looks like. This is pretty big. And this is the charging cable cord. One thing I can say about OnePlus, it's the USB-C charging port. One thing I can say about them is that, in my opinion, they have the best looking charging port out there. It's just my opinion. Alright, let's put this back in a box since we're not going to use that yet. Let's put these back. Now let's power this baby. Let's see what this phone is about. Remember, this is the 5G version. This is not the N100. Alright, let's power it up. Set it up. But I had to show you what this looks like, guys. Just in case if you interested in picking one up at Metro by T-Mobile. In my case, what happened was, if you poured in your number from a different carrier that's not affiliated with Metro by T-Mobile, you can walk out the store with this phone for like what, $75 in total, which is not bad at all, because you get the phone for free. You just gotta pick out a plan, and the plans are 40, 50, and 60. Alright, let's click on start. Set this up. Alright, OnePlus terms and condition, agree. I'll be doing some tests with this, the camera test. I'll be doing the speed test, a lot more tests with this phone. Alright, it's checking for updates, as you can see. Checking for updates. I'm excited about this phone, since I've never had a OnePlus before. So if any of y'all have OnePlus, please let me know, like when it comes to like the software updates, how is it? And a whole bunch of other features, like how is it with this phone? That can help me out a lot. Alright, copy and paste. Copy apps and data, don't copy. Alright, I just wanted to show you what it looks like once you set up everything. As you can see on top right here, this is the NFC logo. I like the camera, the way the camera's set up in the back. That's pretty nice with the fingerprint. But with this phone, you definitely gotta get a case, guys, because it tracks a lot of fingerprints. Alright, let's skip this. Skip. Alright, now it's setting up. Use your location off. Send data off. More. Accept. Alright, let's see. OnePlus co-creation user program. Skip. I'm gonna skip all this for now. Alright. Unlock with your fingerprint. We're gonna set up that later. Skip. Skip anyway. Okay. Adding finishing touches. So now it's just adding the finishing touches and stuff. Alright, the font. Recent home back. Navigation gesture. And this with the gesture. I mean, you can have the regular triangle, circle, and square, or you can have the updated navigation gesture. I'll keep the updated one. Master full screen gesture in 3 steps. Starts. Swipe back. Nice teaching you how to, with the new gesture, how to use that. Swipe back. Alright. Home, swipe up. Let's see what else. Stop. It's done. Okay. Setup complete. Click on start. Alright. That's what it looks like once you finish setting it up, done. This is what the screen looks like. But let's put the brightness up a little bit because this is too dark. Alright, this is the brightness. Alright, this is what it looks like. Remember guys, this is the IPS display, 409 pixel, but it's 90 hertz, so it's super fast. So you can see like it's real snappy. I like the fact that it's 90 hertz. Alright. Go manage. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go to settings. See if we're on the latest Android. About phone. And gives you some more information about the phone. As you can see, this has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, Snapdragon 690, 90 Hz, 6.49 FHD plus display. The latest Android is Android 10. This is Android 10, guys. Alright. Let's see what else. Let's go to settings. See what else we can do on this. Let's go to display. This comes with night mode. So if you want to turn on, if you're a big fan of the night mode, you can turn that on. No, night mode, where it's at. Yeah, you can turn on night mode, but I have to play around with this. I'm trying to see like all the stuff that it has. Fresh advanced. Alright, you go to advanced, this is where it shows you the refresh rate. Click on this. You can set it up to the 60 hertz, but it's less smooth. It gives you better quality, battery quality. But if you keep it on 90 hertz, ultra smooth, at a higher refresh rate, but it drains your battery a little bit more. And also, what I like about this is the circle punch hole camera on the left, on the upper left corner. This is nice up there. Customization, clock style. You can change your wallpaper, your clock style, and do all that, which I like about OnePlus. It gives you a lot of ways for you to set up your stuff, like customize and stuff like that, you know. Let's go to system update. Let's go to system update available. It's telling me that I have an update that's available, but we'll update that later. Complete your device setup. I'm gonna do that later. Okay. Let's see what else do we have. Let's see let's go to 5G. Let's see if I can run the 5G. I want to test out the speed. Let's go to YouTube. Got it. Let's go to YouTube. Oh yeah, let me get off Wi-Fi, guys. Get off Wi-Fi. Not now. And now I'm in YouTube. And this is the 5G on top. As you can see. Hold on. Autofocus they have to focus on the thing. It's the 5G on top. It's right here, guys. 5G. So let's go to my channel and see if I can watch a video 5G. Let me put the brightness down a little bit. Alright, let's go to dollar scratch off. Let's go to my channel. Let me put it up just a little bit more. Alright, dollar scratch off. I'm on my channel. Let's go to video. Let me put the volume up. Right, the volume halfway up. Let's go to this video. Let's rotate it. Let's see what this look like on a video. And the speakers right here, guys. This where's the speaker at. This is the USB Type-C, and this is the headphone jack. I like the fact that it comes with a headphone jack. Alright, let's go to my channel. Let's put up the volume a little bit more. Let's see if we can get some 8s in a row. Alright, let's switch this. Start off with ticket 21 first. Let's switch to quality. Some 8s, guys. See what they have. Get at least 3 match. 1080p. So man, that's loading it to 1080p. Because it was on a low quality before. So I'm just testing out, like I want to test out the 5G speed to see how well the thing. It's the 1080p at 60 frames per second. That's not 1080p. See the quality, guys. You got on my end, it's perfectly clear, like it's real clear, but for some reason on the camera it might not show as in 1080p by 60 frames per second, but on my end it's very clear. For some reason it's taking some time to load. Let's go back. I'm definitely going to test out the 5G speed to see how fast it is. It's 5G. At the top, for some reason it's taking forever to load, so I'm gonna get back to that. Now let's go back home. Let's get out of this. Let's take this out. Alright, what else? Let's open up the thing. This is what the app drawer looks like. When you open it up, remember I'm using the gesture, so if you go up and you stop, open up the thing. I'll set up the fingerprints, and that's mainly what it looks like, guys. So I just wanted to show you what the new OnePlus N10 5G, what it looks like. You can see this is the volume up and the volume down, and this is the power button on the right hand side, and on the back it has the 4 cameras, which I'm gonna test out in another video, and it has the fingerprints, which I'll set up in a little bit. This is what it looks like. I like the 90 hertz. This is snappy. This is quick. I mean, this is fast. In person, it's very fast. So I'll play with the phone a little bit more, and I'll do like a camera test. I'll take some pictures, and I'll do also a video, like a recording thing in 4K. See what the 4K looking like on this baby. And also I'll do like the speed test for the 5G. So I'll do a video. I'll do multiple videos on this phone, alright? But anyways, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll play with this some more, and I'll get back to you. But anyways, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my videos. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.